conflict, trickery, so now we'll begin by what is the conflict first of all. First of all, know what is the conflict. Conflict na war, conflict na crisis, conflict na all this situation where we find ourselves inside. To do that in a way, it only destroy the next person where they are around you. All that in a conflict. Conflict even begin now, even within you. When you don't be at peace with yourself, you dey in conflict with yourself. So anything where you know this person, anything where you know the help another man for grow, na thing that what they call am conflict. Now, what is sexual violence? Sexual violence. Now, when man begin, first girl begin from sleep with him, forget sexual intercourse with him, whether girl no want that. That's that they call as sexual violence, but we know it commonly as rape, so that's still rape. Now, the thing like that will don't come for you today for talk and say, you know, fine. Because when conflict day, when crisis day, people that they take advantage, people that they use that young girl then. Young girls, they be raped even at gunpoint. They put gun for young girl in head. Tell young girl say, so if you don't move your clothes for here, I shoot you. So when the girl be frightened, what you get for do? You only get for abide. You get for do what the man want, make it do. So nothing and that way, you know, you can't for talk say you know fine. So what is many of these impact then? Most of you we know only rape. We know say when girl don't be raped, he go carry belly, he go carry unwanted pregnancy, diseases where you know be ready for carry those diseases. But not be all that. So one just add a few more points to that one the way we already know. One other impact for conflict narrative, they say breakdown of rule of law and disintegration of social and family structures. When conflict day, rule of law is being broken down, I mean it changed completely. We don't go very far, only for this one community where we don't come for change to them. The rule of law we don't change. The other time for them people they be dying, now they be burying them, now woman them. We don't ever hear for us now woman they bury people. Now woman they be dig grave, they use hole for dig grave for bury people. Where it not correct. It means that everything don't be reversed. Things that they go in the opposite direction. All things they go upside down. When not be so it therefore happen. But because the conflict don't come in for this community, that's why the thing they don't change, don't go in the other way around. Another impact is already. Some committee, what they call as a committee on the elimination of discrimination against women. They talk about it. They say why conflict day. Now time there plenty people they take advantage for young girls. So conflict don't make them for way. All that mind, stereotype minds, people don't always gather inside their mind say I go do it for this girl or I will do so for this girl. Whenever conflict, that people they just become. They come together, then they start accusing A when an X don't can do one. They will start talking that B do so. Or he will pretend saying they'll be no saying that in that way it therefore happen. Whereas that thing will be already planned for your mind ever since. But you know, just gain that the opportunity. So that way it is all that don't come. You don't just take opportunities, okay, now I will do I'm no man will not say not me. So that they kind of thing that way conflict because of coalition and what you know fight. And then arbitrary killings. They kill people then anyhow. Kill young girls, people they go farm, they kill them. People they go market, they kill them. All that thing, so you know fine. Young girl, woman, mommy for humanity. So when that young girl they be eliminated, now we get for can carry on with the future. Now then the bond they begin there. So when they be eliminated, they be maltreated like that. Now we get for carry on with humanity. We get torture and mutilation. I don't talk about mutilation, I don't talk about torture where they be beaten, they be their part, they cut them all over. So when they don't cut other part, then how I expect the young girl will do that thing where he actually come for this world or for this community. For can do how I think so the young girl he will make it community, make it grow. Because if I don't get hand and I want to, I don't feel right for but so it already destroy some certain thing the way I get for do for be able to make my community and the people in my community make it grow. And then forced marriage is another one because plenty papa them when their property don't be destroyed, everything don't be destroyed, they get for they tell that I small girl created for house. Say I beg go marry quick so that make your master give me small money, make a chop, make a try to stand back because all my thing don't be destroyed. Papa they start see it picking like the only means for you for get back all that in the way you don't lost when I wait don't cause na conflict don't cause na crisis don't cause na war don't cause. So we can't fear for deny all that thing they don't find. School dropout na beginning that. Normally on a Tuesday they get for day for on a Wednesday they get for day for school. Why they day for here today? Because they conflict don't come picking they know if you go school. Now our young girl that if you tell that time if my papa and my mommy they be nice say make I no go school, I no for be able to stand for here for talk. So when would the punish who are picking they make they no go school? What do we expect from them tomorrow? Tomorrow we expect me that picking and find which one, make they walk for bringing hell with where we don't old. How they go walk when they don't get education for that? Conflict don't spoil them. Conflict don't make a crisis, don't make a war, don't make a picking, they don't fit go school, and they don't fit continue. So, at the same time, that way we get for stop and we like parents. Make we stand for us, make our young people and make they go back for school. Make these young girls go back for school. When they for us, they will let bring in a they go start complain. They go let bring in a sickness, they go start to complain. Wait till we papa them and mommy them will do for make us say why young pikin and go back to school. Okay. So this woman there, when I Secretary General for United Nations, that he be specialized for sexual issues, sexual abuse issues. He talks about it. He said after a decade of concerted attention and action to deal with this crime, wars are still being fought on and over the bodies of women and girls. So he don't talk say despite time don't go, years they don't pass plenty when they don't struggle for stop this kind of situation, this conflict. But you know the fee stop. Why you know the fee stop? Now we as individuals get for stopper. No be God will come up for heaven, can't stop her. Now we get for tonight, I know the carry gun, I know the carry cutlass, I know the carry stick, I know the carry this weapon for kill the other person. Now we get for stopper. So now the young girl they suffer. Because when we do our son, our picking they suffer. Now our picking they go farm, they go rape her. Papa then there for house, mommy then there for where picking can't tell you how you feel as a parent. When you can't tell you say nothing this way happen for me, I will go this place. Parent no fit ever be happy. No papa no they no mommy no the way go born the picking for this world. And then yesterday they rape the picking laugh. No one. No one. So nothing that way we get for stopper. People they don't try come together as this woman they talk for here. Plenty country they don't come together. So they try for something, but they still continue. Why it will continue? But that one don't be all. That one not be all. It's just something the way they talk say, and one philosophy that way me about believing in your life. They say the great mystery in falling lies not in falling itself, but in rising whenever you fall. What it means say whenever you walk out, slice fall, no remain for that place. You wake up, you continue your journey, you continue go place where you go because that's the only way that way you go take and succeed. They see what they talk and say we don't fall, or we don't make mistakes. But what we get for do? We get for pick up from that mistake. We get for come back together. No, stop that hate speeches. Say na that B talk say na A talk say make we stop am. I hate D because A do so for my person. Make we stop discrimination. Make we stop tribalism. Make we stop all that blame game for the blame people. And then all we come back together, we try to clean up the mess we don't cause and we'll continue ahead. And then that's so we'll take and build our community back the way we want to make it. And which methods the way we use for build our community way to help this while young men in the world stop today. We get a few methods we use to help our young men and make this war stop so that our young men come back as a girl the way they get as a the way we expect them to tomorrow. So the first one we done as serious, see make we not look young girls through the lens of victimhood. Young girls, yes, they are being victims, but make we not consider it like say where the young girl, we just celebrate some young girls, so where the young anytime you find a certain where the young girl, where you know, young girls and that strong force, they are a strong force in the society. Now why do we don't choose a woman for carry? Why do we choose man? And woman for carry, we must pass through that stage for young girls. So wait we get for make we not consider them, make we not be sorry them. On the contrary, make we encourage them. Tell them, say this is not happening for you, but that one will be the end of the world. We will become if we continue. So make we encourage our people, they go stop for the point to say the one so this is happening for you. No. Whenever we see them, make we instead call them. Tell them my pikin, I be a mommy or I be a big sister or I be a big brother. This is not happening better. No end of the day. Continue. Go ahead and go this way. Come for you what you want. Never involve them in decision making. Now one other thing that we papa their mommy there. Authorities they always like what she don't say, okay, now this is the way young girl they need that was. Now don't consult how many of the young girl they tell us and see this we want that. We not involve them in decision making. Make them know say just so they be important. That they know their needs. Now they get for talk say I want education. I want this. No fit let me say one education, him say one other thing. Now them know where to want that. When I always that for council, they say okay, if you don't say you want that, you want make you struggle for see into your direction for make a make see where you want grow, make it grow, make the things succeed. So make we involve them in decision making. Make we know they take decision there for them. Young girls, I go talk for another directly. When I therefore try for build resilience. What is the resilience? When I therefore be strong. When I get for be strong. When I be young girls, not be any man go come for na corner today say open your foot, you open now. When I be young girl.